My area of practice is family law. The top three things that clients are concerned about when they come to see me: number one, they want to know how much a divorce is going to cost. They want to know how long it's going to take. And they want to know what life after divorce is going to be like. Another thing when an individual is considering entering into a divorce or hiring a family law lawyer, they need to ask that lawyer not only about their own experiences, what kind of cases they've handled, but what options are available to that individual. Not every case has to go to trial. One thing we have always emphasized is being honest with clients, helping them to understand what the process entails, the expense, the emotional trauma of the process. I fundamentally believe that dealing with custody matters should not be handled through the courts. The parents should keep control over that process. They still may have been, throughout the marriage, involved in the decision making. What school should our kids go to? What type of medical treatment should they have? What activities should they be in? How are we going to raise them in this religion or that religion? They can still share joint custody, respective of whatever the schedule is. To many, Beermann is the firm. Beermann is that collective group of tremendously talented and diverse lawyers that represent clients on a family law matters and business law matters on a very, very high level. One of the things we have is a very unique niche in representing athletes, entertainers, high wealth individuals, very high profile people. Interestingly enough, what I found in representing high profile individuals is more the similarities than the differences in representing those individuals. The issues are the same. The family is in flux. There is emotional discord. And that's no different whether you're a celebrity or you're a working class individual or professional. So while there's some differences that occur as a result of media attention, the issues oftentimes are just the same. Well, when an individual is looking for a lawyer because they're contemplating a divorce or some other family law matter, first and foremost, they have to look, do the research, and find out, is the individual that they're about to consult with or to hire, is this somebody that really works in the area of family law? There's a complexity to it, there's nuance to it, there's a familiarity with judges and opposing counsels that is essential in managing someone through a divorce. Some cases are ripe for the collaborative process. Sometimes there are cases that can be negotiated in their entirety before ever having to step foot into court. It's also important for me to understand from a client the dynamic of the other spouse, who the other spouse has hired as an attorney, because all of those things can impact the process, and that's something that the individual should feel comfortable with going into a divorce or other family law matter.